Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off sound on Instagram stories. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram application. And now you can see that I go into the story. And if you want to listen to the sound, you simply need to volume up. So you can see that I volume up simply here, and after that when you open any Instagram story you will listen a sound. And if you want to turn off, you simply need to turn out you simply need to turn down the sound of your smartphone like this. And when sound is zero, you are unable to listen to the story of Instagram. So this is a simple process by which you can turn on and off sound on Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.